Portugal, a place to relax. Portugal is a magical place and everyone is welcome. It's a country where you can truly relax. From sunny beaches to green hills, Portugal is amazing. Explore lots of different places, each one more beautiful than the last. Let Portugal's charm help you feel good and brand new. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore. The sun rising over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. This is the daily reality in Portugal, a land where serenity reigns supreme. The coastline stretches for miles, offering pristine beaches that invite you to unwind and soak up the sun. But Portugal is not just about its stunning beaches. Venture inland and you'll discover rolling green hills dotted with charming villages, each with its own unique character and history. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of birds singing, creating a peaceful ambience that soothes the soul. In the cities, you'll find a blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Lisbon, with its cobblestone streets and historic architecture, offers a glimpse into the past, while Porto, with its lively riverfront and bustling markets, showcases the dynamic spirit of the country. Whether you're exploring ancient castles, savouring delicious cuisine, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll through a vineyard, Portugal offers a myriad of experiences that cater to every taste. It's a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find a sense of peace and tranquility. So come, let Portugal's charm envelop you, and discover a place where serenity truly reigns. Blue water and gold sand, Portugal's amazing coast. Portugal's coastline is a mesmerizing blend of natural beauty and serene landscapes. The contrast between the deep blue waters and the golden sands creates a picturesque scene. The waves crashing against the rocky outcrops add a dramatic touch. This is a place where nature's artistry is on full display. Portugal's beaches are a dream come true. The wide, expansive beaches offer plenty of space for everyone. Whether you're looking to sunbathe, swim, or take a leisurely stroll, there's something for everyone. The panoramic views of the clear blue water meeting the golden sand are breathtaking. They go on for miles next to the Atlantic Ocean. The endless stretches of beach provide a sense of freedom and tranquility. As you walk along the shore, the sound of the waves and the fresh ocean breeze create a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and reflection. Bright blue water shines under the golden sun. The sunlight reflecting off the water creates a sparkling effect. It's a sight that captures the essence of a perfect beach day. The vibrant blue hues of the ocean are a testament to the pristine nature of Portugal's coastal waters. Soft, golden sand makes you want to sit back and relax. The texture of the sand is incredibly inviting, perfect for laying down a towel and soaking up the sun. Whether you're building sandcastles or enjoying a good book, the golden sands of Portugal provide the ideal backdrop for leisure. The sound of the waves is calming. There's something soothing about the rhythmic sound of waves gently hitting the shore. It's a natural lullaby that can ease your mind. Many visitors find themselves lost in the moment, simply listening to the waves and feeling a deep sense of peace. Find hidden beaches and big cliffs along the shores. The Portuguese coast is dotted with hidden gems. From secluded beaches tucked away between cliffs to dramatic rock formations, there's always something new to explore. These hidden spots offer a sense of adventure and wonder, making every visit to Portugal's coast unique. Magical islands, Azores and Madeira. Come see Portugal's islands. These special islands in the Atlantic are amazing. Volcanoes are awesome. Green forests and bright flowers. Find hidden waterfalls. Peaceful lakes. Experience the magic. The charm of the country. Green hills and cute villages. Visit the Portuguese countryside, a very peaceful place. Rolling hills covered in grapevines go on forever. Small towns are all over, each one special. Walk on cobblestone streets and learn about the local people. Enjoy great food and feel the kindness of everyone in Portugal. As you journey through the verdant hills, you'll be greeted by endless vineyards. The lush greenery is a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. Each vineyard tells a story of tradition and hard work. The villages, with their charming squares and historic buildings, offer a glimpse into the past. Life moves at a slower pace here. The cobblestone streets invite you to explore and discover hidden gems. In the heart of these villages, you'll find bustling markets. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas create a sensory feast. Immerse yourself in the local culture and experience the warmth of the Portuguese people. And of course, no visit would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, the food reflects the land and its people. Each dish is prepared with love and care. So come, take a journey through the verdant hills and quaint villages of Portugal. Let the beauty of the landscape and the charm of the people leave a mark on your heart. This is a place where memories are made and where the simple pleasures of life are celebrated every day. Amazing nature, animals and plants of Portugal. Portugal is full of wild animals. See lots of birds, find ocean animals near the coast, from happy dolphins to giant whales. Explore parks and nature areas. Portugal's nature is wonderful. Follow iChameleon Explorer for more amazing content. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Peaceful luxury. Relax and have fun. Portugal is both fancy and peaceful. Enjoy amazing hotels and spas. Eat delicious food. Drink good Portuguese wine and have a wonderful time in Portugal. Your Portugal adventure, a trip to remember. Portugal is waiting for you. It's a beautiful country with interesting people. Explore the sunny coast and green hills. Make memories you'll keep forever. Start your Portugal adventure now.